Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Virginia Lee Rose Elementary School in Madera, California. I just got done sharing my heart with grades K through 6, 3 separate assemblies. The main focus was positivity. The sub-theme that you see on the screen here was be your best self, right? And this is something that we're trying to do each and every day to be the best version of who we can be, right? And it's not always easy to maintain a positive attitude, especially on days like today when the weather is a little bit nasty outside, some of the rain and everything here in Madera. But if we're able to really try to focus on the positive, then we can try to shift our angle of vision and try to just always maintain this optimistic mentality, right? Each and every day. And we're always trying to be positive with everyone in our life, everywhere in our life. And the students really did take that to heart today. You know, they understand that there's moments where we can definitely feel defeated or that we're not good enough or compared to other people around us, maybe that they're better than us. But the truth is, true excellence, it's not about being the best, it's just about doing your best, right? But no matter what, we can keep trying, keep giving the effort, keep pushing, keep persevering, and just never give up. And the opposite of success, what I mentioned to all the students was that it's not failure, what a lot of people think it is. It's quitting or giving up, right? We can fail again and again and again, but if we stop trying, then we have no chance, right? And so in those moments where we do feel like we do want to give up, where we are kind of sad or just feeling down, maybe our head's down like this, the shirt that I wear for this particular program is definitely a reminder to just always keep our head up, right? So the words on the front of my t-shirt are upside down on purpose. It says, keep your head up upside down. So if you, again, are feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To think positive no matter what. And it's always a choice, right? To choose those positive actions. And those make us feel good, right? To go and help others around us and see the beauty, not just in ourselves and the self-belief in ourselves, right? But to go and help others see that too. So we tried to shift, from negative thinking, negative thoughts, negative doubts, to positive ones, right? To replace the negativity with something a lot more positive. And that also ties into the concept that I bring up in every assembly, that we're all true miracles, right? Like the M on our hands, I traced mine here. I bring this up in all my talks because it's just so vital that we remember this and believe this, that we are all true miracles, right? That's what the M stands for, upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into this, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart around us, right? To encourage others, because that's also part of doing our best, right? It's not just self-encouraging ourselves, right? Whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We want to encourage the people that are, in our circle, right? And try to lift them up even higher than ourselves. And, for students to really start thinking about this and really grasping this at a very young age, that's huge, right? And that will lead into the family night topic, which is leadership, passion to purpose. And really our purpose is trying to help others, right? But our passion is like what we love to do, and our gifts and our talents, our abilities, and already using them, even being younger, to go and make a difference, right, in the lives around us, right? And that's, again, part of that shared collective purpose for why we're even here on this planet. And so for, everyone to really take this to heart and know that this is where passion starts, where positivity begins, kindness, and towards ourselves and others. That's just a huge life lesson to really comprehend. So another amazing day here at Virginia Lee Rose. Great sharing my heart. Hope to be back again soon. And just until then, make sure you continue to be those amazing people for this earth. We need a lot more kindness for sure. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.